I've been using the Wooting 60HE as my daily driver for a while now, and I've considered it to be one of the best gaming keyboards out there. But then I came across this, the MAD60HE, and after trying it out, I wish I knew about this keyboard sooner. This keyboard comes packed with magnetic switches, ultra-fast response time, and impressive performance, all at an affordable price. Join me in this video as we dive into a review and see just how good this keyboard really is. Today we're partnering up with AliExpress. If you're looking for high quality tech at unbeatable prices, whether it's gaming peripherals, PC accessories, or even keyboards, AliExpress has got you covered. By using my promo code in the video's description, you can take advantage of the exclusive discounts and coupons for the best deals out there. Alright, how about we start things off with the unboxing. Inside we got the keyboard itself, a detachable USB-C cable, two-sided keycap and switch puller, and lastly a keyboard strap. So as a first impression, it actually feels well built. It's plastic but doesn't feel cheap at all, and the side printed keycaps give it a stealthier look. I went with the white colorway for this keyboard, and I'm glad I did because it really draws out that clean minimalistic aesthetic. The keycaps not only look sleek, but it also helps prevent fading over time. It's a nice touch if you want that long-term durability. In terms of a form factor, is your standard 60% layout, meaning that you'll need to use the function layers for arrow keys and other shortcuts. When it comes to the features, one of the biggest selling points for me, of course, are the magnetic switches. Anyone that has ever used a wooden keyboard before already knows just how game-changing this is. Instead of relying on traditional mechanical actuations, these switches use magnets for faster, adjustable actuation points. In terms of performance, how does it feel to use? Well, coming from someone who uses the Wooting as their daily driver, I was really surprised. The actuation is so responsive, and being able to customize the rapid trigger function allowed me to get the desired inputs for whatever activity I needed. But honestly, I didn't even need to make those adjustments. Just having the keyboard in its stock settings still performs better than any of the other keyboards that I have. If you decide to get this keyboard, be sure to take advantage of the drivers that you can find in the description of this video. It's a web-based driver that allows you to update your firmware whenever a new version is released. But the main takeaway here is the ability to fully customize your keyboard settings. You have access to RGB customizations, key remapping, and macros. And just like the Wooting keyboard, you can fully calibrate the rapid trigger functions for your desired responsiveness. For a keyboard that's only $40, it's really insane just how much is packed into one device. I bought this keyboard off AliExpress and the shipping came in faster than I expected. Not only that, but I have to give it to them with the quality of packaging they put into my shipment. It came in with extra laser protection with bubble wrap and an outer box to protect the contents inside, ensuring that the product that I received will not be damaged. If you compare this to my Wooting keyboard, let me show you how it got delivered. So taking a look at the delivery photo, you can see that the package was already ripped. Not only that, but when I received the product, there was no layers of protection inside, just the box straight up in a plastic bag. And seeing just how big the rip was, the keyboard could have easily fallen out during the shipping process. It's actually sad to see that this is the quality you would get from a keyboard company that you would expect to have better practices for a product that's worth $200. But it is what it is. The Wooting is still an exceptional keyboard. But now, after owning both the MAD60HE and the Wooting 60HE, there really isn't much of a difference between the two keyboards. They both perform just as great, and the only difference between the two is whether you want to spend $40 or $200. That is why today we're partnering up with AliExpress to bring you the best deals for keyboards. I can't get you a deal on the Wooting, but I can definitely get you a deal on the MAD60HE. If you check out my link in the description, you can get some savings for your next purchase and even find coupons for even bigger discounts. Guys, that will conclude my review today. I hope that this video was informative and helps you on choosing your next keyboard. Let me know, do you own any of these keyboards already? And if so, what are your thoughts and comparisons? Let me know down below because I would love to read them. That will be it for this video. Thanks again for all your support, and I wish you guys the best of luck on your keyboard journey. Take care.